Hello, welcome, brothers and sisters, my Faisal Azib. I hope that you are aware. So I have talked in previous video what is predicate. It is Boolean valued function, and I will show you now how to use it. But before to show you this, I have talked about four predefined functional interface. All these functional interface are in the package java.util.function. Okay, you need to import, of course, this package to use this predefined functional interface. It's important. So, function interface, we use them to call lambda expression, and predicate is function interface. Okay, so how to use the predicate? I will create a simple method now. For example, to check if the age of student is greater than 23 or 25. Okay, simple method in Java without lambda expression, without anything, and we make change until to use it with predicate. So I have public Boolean test age. I will give him integer age as a parameter argument, and inside the function or inside the method I check if age is greater than 25, return true, else return false. Okay, this is a simple method that we can write in Java without lambda expression. Okay, it's a normal method. So to convert it to lambda expression, what we will do, the first thing, remember, lambda expression is without a name. Okay, so we have integer age, simple arrow. We open our curly braces, and put if age is greater than 25, return true, else return false, and you close the curly braces. Now we can also make a small lambda expression. Okay, you can apply another rules. For example, we have only one argument, so we can remove the parentheses of integer I, and also the compiler can guess the type of our argument, so we can remove integer also. Okay, that's the first part. This is our lambda expression. What you can do also, you can change all the statement if else in just one statement, like just check age greater than 25. So simple. So here is our lambda expression. I simple arrow age simple arrow age greater than 25. Just like this. Okay? It's the lambda expression in one line. Then the previous method. So now how to use this in predicate. I will create class with the main method. Inside this class, I will create a predicate with type integer, okay, for the age. So predicate with type integer, p equal, here I will give him my lambda expression. I means age, simple arrow, age is greater than 25. Just like this. Now, how to check different value? Let's continue. System out dot println p dot test 27. Another one. System out dot println p dot test 19. Okay. Here is our program. So I will execute this simple program in the computer to see the result. Okay? So remember, predicate is predefined functional interface, and you can call lambda expression, and it contains only abstract method. It is test. So now let's run this simple method or a simple program to see if it works or no. Okay, let's go.
So here is my program, and here I have declared predicate, and I import predicate from the package java.util.function. Okay, the type is integer, and here is my lambda expression. So when I run this program, what I got? True for the first and false for the second. Do you see? It's very easy. It's very, very easy. So now, if I am trying to change, for example, the type here to string, I will get an error. So for example, if I put this instruction, Faisal here, check me this. As you can see, the compiler gives me directly an error, and this is the method test integer in the type predicate integer is not applicable for the argument string. Okay, so you can't use another type than what you have put here. Okay,
now you have seen how to use predicate. I will continue in next video to show you another example to understand very well, because I have said before, this predefined function, this predefined function interface are very important in Java 1.8, are very useful to use them. So as an expression, you must be familiar to how to convert any method to another expression. It's same thing for this predefined function interface. So I will try to make another example and to enter more detail if it's needed. Okay? See you in next video, inshallah, brothers and sisters. Subscribe to my channel if it's the first time. Like this video, share it with your friends. And goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.